Hello everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live after my workout and in my vehicle. And guys, what I wanted to actually speak to you about is actually letting you know that the next couple of weeks I'm going to be dropping some fantastic opportunities for you all. And of course, I have to research. I'm not one of those type of people that just want to jump in something, have not experienced the results myself, or have not seen that my upline or my sponsor has experienced the results themselves before I actually put it out there. And we actually definitely need to work on persons or people having the credibility in order for us to put it out there. And that's so important in today's industry, in this market space, because a lot of people are creating programs after programs after programs. I'm seeing a lot of them popping up, and I need to make sure that they have, number one, the value. Number two, I need to make sure that the owners are integrity. They have integrity, not are integrity, but they are of moral character, and that they have integrity. Not that you're just looking for a quick instant win as far as cash flow or money coming in, monetary gains, but they actually are trying to create value in the marketplace for those that are actually seeking additional income or replaceable income from their jobs that they're presently holding. So that is so important. I need you guys to understand direct mail moves differently than something online. So what's going to happen is I'm going to be sharing several different things for you. That's going to be direct mail, and it's also going to be online. The price points are going to vary from smaller all the way up to high tier. Now, these have been proven, they've been shown, and I'm telling you, I'm aligning myself with the sponsors that have the integrity, that have the moral ethics, and have the teamwork. That's going to be valuable to you. That means you're going to get resources, you're going to get help, you're going to get people that are going to make sure that your success is imminent, as long as you roll up your sleeve and you're willing to actually take action, massive action. Now, as you all know, I always share things, and I want to make sure when I share things, they have value. That's the only way we can make it in this space, guys. You can't be peddling program to program to program, and it's just on a sheet of paper and switching money all around, and don't have some kind of valuable asset connected to it, so that a person can actually genuinely have something of substance from it. Because when you're sharing things and people are spending their hard-earned money, you need to make sure that it's going to be not valuable today, but it's going to prove imminent. That's going to help them into the future, being able to transition them to the next level of income potential that they're looking for. And that is so important. So please stay tuned. Later on today, you will see a direct mail piece that I got prior authorization from the owner himself. I have been able to personally from my direct sponsor, who is also another owner of another business that I was promoting and still am currently promoting via postcard, that has shown me the numbers, has shown me without worrying about, the openness. He is very transparent. He is a family man. He is someone that wants the success of the masses, and has products and services available to you. So it puts you in a win-win situation. So I know at the end of the day, when I share this particular platform for you, that you will not only, one, be able to enter at a very reasonable level, but you'll be able to scale it up to whatever desired income that you have. We have all the resources ready for you. So I definitely want you to know that that's going to be at your disposal. There's not going to be any questions about it. The transparency is there. The format is also affordable. It's affordable. I know a lot of people are saying, well, Cassandra, you share stuff with me and it's colored, and where do I get that printed? Where do I do? And I'm going to tell you, all of these things will be taken care of for you. The resources that I have to help you be able to do that. This is a two-sided flyer. This flyer will allow you to be able to copy it with ease, even if you decide to do it in black and white, because they minimize the color content so that you do not have to worry about the outlay, the expense, and the marketing, the printing, and all of that. It's still going to be allowing you to be able to present it in a very professional manner. So guys, I want you to stay tuned. Later on today, a video is going to drop, and I'm going to introduce this direct mail piece opportunity to you. And like I said, you're also going to be getting resources from me throughout the course of the week. You're also going to be seeing another opportunity that's going to have a lower price point and that'll allow you to be able to create residual income. Always remember, everything that I share with you is going to have a residual aspect to it. And that's only because we don't just want you to have an income for today. We don't just want you to have an instant influx of cash or monetary funding. We want you to be able to see into the future, because remember, bills come every month. And you need money to come on a consistent basis that will help you to cover those bills, okay? So guys, thank you so much. Definitely, if you have any questions, email me at askcassandragood@gmail.com. Also, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to continue to have you here. There's so much coming, and I'm trying my best. I know I'm not probably moving as fast as you would like me to, but I'm trying my best to make sure that I research and make sure I have all the nooks and crannies, all the T's crossed, all the I's dotted before I present it to you, because I want to make sure there's no stone left unturned when you get the information, so you can make an intelligent decision to step into abundance. Because remember, this is your season. Guys, have a good one. I'll speak to you soon, and please look out for the video later on this day.